Hello, I'm Mike. Uh, Today I am with another video for this channel. My channel is about programming blogs, but in Spanish. But today, I'm going to talk in English because I have a great idea. I wanna create content in English for this channel about tutorials, for example, and we this gonna be a challenge because I don't speak very well in English, but um, it's a great idea for me because I can improve my English conversation, and this gonna be interesting. And I'm going to uh, I can connect with all people around the other cities or countries, and this for me was going to be grateful. Okay, for today, I'm going to explain you about variables in Python. This is an idea for me. In other video, maybe I'm going to talk with another topics. Maybe another language like Python or JavaScript or maybe HTML or CSS. Okay, let's go. First, I'm going to create here main.py. Maybe you are not watching me. I'm going to put this. Okay. Here, I create main.py and okay. Uh, here I'm gonna create a variable. In Python, we can create variables like this. For example, we can put a name. I don't know, name. For example, equal to Michael. Michael Daniel. This is my first names. Okay. In Python, we create variables like this. Only name. We cannot analyze with another, in another names. For example, this is gonna be a string, but we can create like this. We can put this variable like this. For example, directory. We can put directory or 45 or 55. But this automatically, this variable uh, will gonna be a number type. Okay, variable number type. But if I change this variable contents, for example, Michael Daniel, automatically this variable type will gonna be a string. We have a lot of type of data that we can storage or we can store in a variable. We can stay we can have variable type number, for example. We can put here age, for example, age. My age is I'm not gonna say my age, but for example, 18 years. Okay, this is gonna be type. I'm gonna put this um, number type. Okay, number type. This is gonna be string type. String type. Here I'm going to put true, true, and it's important the capitalize the first letter, okay, and put here, for example, booleans, okay. In variables, we can storage it's a lot of different type of data, like strings or numbers or booleans. This can be false, false, or true. Okay. And how can we show these variables, or how can we show the content of these variables for the people in the terminal? How can we show basically? For that, we have a function for show that. For example, we can I can I can write the function print. With print, I I'm going to say to the program that I'm gonna print this variable and for show you, for example. Okay, print name, for example, print name. Um, I'm run the program, and first tell me that I have a problem in this function print name. Okay. Why we have a problem? Oh no. Here this say true here. I don't know. Name is not defined. I don't know how why. Mm, okay. Sorry. Here the number the variable name is um se está usando. It's the same variable, and we can change this for another. For example, um, decision. For example, decision. Okay, decision. I don't know. It's with C. Decision. Okay. Okay. We are going to run again, and we have my colonial in the terminal. We can put here, for example, age. We're going to print again 18 and decision. Put decision and true. Okay, it's interesting. Um, nothing more to say. We can concatenate, for example, another words. For example, I can say here, my name is comma, and here concatenate the variable age here like this. Okay, and here set my name is well, okay. I'm going to continue the variable name like this. Okay, I'm going to run again. My name is Michael Daniel. Okay, here it's one of we can concatenate variables. Another form we have f where we can only use these curly brackets, and here into these curly brackets we can put the name of the variable. For example, my name is name like this. Okay, it's another form to concatenate variables in our function print. Okay, here I can put, for example, a comma and oh, so fuck. Here I can put, for example, my name is name and my age is curly brackets age. Run the program, and my name is Michael Daniel, and my age is 18. I write here year. Age is 14 years old. Okay, like this. Okay, my name is Michael Daniel, and my age is 18 years old. Okay, like this, we can concatenate variables, and this is our variables in Python. Okay, maybe in the next video we're going to talk about with from of another topic. We can let me know in the comments if if you like my content. You can subscribe to my channel, like let your like for this video, and nothing more to say. Goodbye. See you next video.